Think you've been shadow banned on X? Here's how to know if you are. The first indicator is receiving a label. This means some activity on your account was suspicious and your reach has temporarily been limited. If you receive a label, you have been shadow banned. Another indicator is a sudden dip in impressions. If your posts regularly get thousands of impressions and then suddenly get less than 100, that is a red flag, but does not automatically mean you are shadow banned. To confirm if you have been shadow banned, log into a separate X account that does not follow your primary account. This is often referred to as an alt or burner account. If you don't have one of these already, then create one. After logging into your alt account, then search for your primary account. If your account does not come up in the search results, you have been search suggestion banned. If your account does show up, then click on it and go to the replies tab, pick a reply and tap into the original post, and then scroll until you find the reply. If your reply shows up in the probable spam or under the show additional replies label, this means you are shadow banned. If you scroll through all the replies and can't find yours, this means you are ghost banned. A ghost ban is a more severe type of shadow ban that completely prevents your replies from showing under posts. And that's it. That is how you know if you are shadow banned. If you want to learn how to fix your shadow ban, watch this video here.